you marry me?
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here to celebrate and observe the wedding of one Lorna Russell and one Hassan Ghazali. These are scary times. We are now living in a society of fear. I do not trust the other person. They might have COVID. So we're all trying to eke our way through this. Thank you all for joining in. Of course, a socially distant wedding. We are doing our best to make sure everything is hygienic, safe, healthy for everyone involved. Congratulations. My younger brother Shamail's here. Ansa's here. We got a lot of people here. Thank you guys. Thank you. We got about 45 people with us. Andrew Perkins just joined. Thank you so much. Initially planned to get married in November last year in the UAE, and lots of people were intimated. We sort of did all the planning. Things fell through. We thought we'd come here and have a bigger thing in Pakistan. Then we tried to do it in January, and we were going to come here, move here, and then that didn't happen. We thought we'd do it in March. We came here and guess what? Coronavirus happened now. But in this time of fear, there is also space for love.